All right, we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve the equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now that is factorable, but I think it's good practice to also practice the quadratic formula with these easier ones. So in front of x squared, there is no number written, but that number is a 1. So for the quadratic formula, what we need to do is we need to have a quadratic in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? So we want to identify a, b, and c. Now if we look up here, the number in front of x squared is 1, so a is 1. The number in front of x, this is like plus negative 5x, so b is negative 5. And the number by itself, c, is 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute those into the equation here, and we're going to find our two solutions. So we're going to say x equals negative b, so the negative of negative 5, which is positive 5, plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. And this is all over 2 times a, which is 1. So let's work this out. So we'll say x equals 5 plus or minus negative 5 squared is positive 25. 4 times 1 is 4, times 6 is 24. So minus 24 over 2 times 1, which is just 2. Okay, so 25 minus 24 is 1. So the square root of 1, and this is still all over 2. Square root of 1 is just 1, so we have 5 plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2. So this represents two solutions. The two solutions are x equals 5 minus 1 over 2. So 5 minus 1 is 4 over 2, which is 2. So that's one of the solutions. And x equals 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 6 over 2, which is 3. So the two solutions here are x equals 2 and x equals 3.